nice and early Sunday morning. Cycling over the Silver Jubilee, going to Spike Island. I want to get a few shots of the Sankey Canal, which has basically gone dry. A campaign to get it filled up again. They built a new dam a few days ago, they completed it. So now it's about, I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there's going to be high tides coming in. So, we're going to see if we can get a few shots before. Morning. So let's get over this bridge. Let's go get some drone footage. Very nosy. Spike Island with this, here we come. So we're here on Spike Island again. I've had the drone out, I've had a good few flights. This time they've opened the lock gates, they've done it for the second time, it's going to be the third tonight. And the dam is down the far end. I've done a waypoint of the dam so you can see now the difference with the canal being full. Let me just show you around what's going on here. It's a gorgeous place. There you go. Look at that. Just turn this camera around. Oof, Jesus. So we got the River Mersey there going on. Tide was high tide about half an hour ago. Spike Island, Catalyst Museum up there. And as you can see, that tide is high and I'm moving on. I think I should make a song about that.
In the highs and in the lows, mountain tops and seas below, I know we'll always find a way home. City lights that burn so bright, starry nights and countrysides will find all we need in this life.
So thank you everybody for joining me on Spike Island and Widnes. I've had a good time, so I'm hoping you have. Also, I've only got about 80 odd subscribers up until my last video, then I got about 30 more. So thank you very much for that. I don't know why it was. It was a video of a big ship, but I enjoyed doing it. and I enjoy it. If someone enjoys it, someone else enjoys it. So all I can say is bon voyage and take care.